Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from Hole in the Wall Beads. It's been a while since I ordered this stuff, so I don't really know what's in here. So let's take a look. Oh, okay. Let's see. So these were all $1 each. Got some lava starfish and something on my finger. So this one's a light blue. Got a yellow. They're so cute. They remind me of Patrick from SpongeBob. And a green. They had a bunch of colors, but I think at that point I was exhausted from shopping. I was like, no more. I've really scaled back the Facebook shopping, so they're about to start a new round of sales, so we'll see how long that lasts, but I'm hoping I can hold out. I'm overwhelmed with product right now. So we've got a little horsey. That's cute. I like that. Goldie is smelling the rug like it's her job over here. We've got a couple of these. They're just like golden links. Those are really cool. And then these really neat like evil eye pendants. I missed out on a couple colors, but I really like this black with the multi around the eye. And then I got a green. Very cool. Oh, and then I had one more of these and one more of the horsey. Very cute. These are neat. I don't think I really got too much this time around. Let's see. So we have a Z bead. Oh no, I don't think that's what this is. I don't know what this is. I don't know. It was 75 cents, whatever it is. I don't think it's a Z bead. It feels more acrylic than Z bead-ish, but who knows? I don't remember. I don't even remember binning that. These were 75 cents each. Aren't those cool? Little beaded beads inside of a frame. This would be super cute for earrings. And then we have 2 fishies. Lava beads. So cute. I think this is supposed to be a Z bead, but it just doesn't. I mean, I guess it kind of feels like a Z bead, but I don't know. Those they're made from agate and resin anyway, so that's why it feels like resin. All right, so this is a whole bunch of stuff that was 50 cents each, so let's go through it. We've got some little shields with a sword on them. They're very bright. Maybe patina these with a little bit of black to calm them down a little bit. I honestly do not remember ordering those, but that's not really saying anything. And then we have some little crescents with some stars on them. I don't even remember seeing these. My memory's going, you guys. Usually I know exactly what I ordered from where, but apparently not today. So we have some shields with some swords and then some little crescents with some stars. And then we have some little goodies here. So I got some little fishy beads. I forgot I ordered these from Pam, so I went ahead and ordered them from Nina too. So we have some little cream fishies with an AB. So cute. And then we've got them in like metallic green. Oh, that guy's blue. No, he's green. Metallic green, blue. And then a dark purple. These 2 different colors? I think so. I think one's a little bit more red and one's a little bit more purple. And then I can't remember if these were labradorite. Yeah, they've got some flash. Yeah, I think they're labradorite. Labradorite. Oh, gosh, I can't say it right today. There's some flash on them. They're little hearts. They're so cute. So sweet. And then we've got some carved, I don't know if these are, I think they're resin. I'm not 100% sure. Little carved face beads. So sweet. Those are lovely. I want to use those in a necklace. And then some Evil Eye stars. Gorgeous. What else is in here? So each one of these was $1.50. One of these Z beads. So these have a little evil eye on them with some kind of symbol on the side. They're very nice. They're like a football shape. And then she had these little tiny spiny oyster turtles, and I only wanted one, and I didn't realize it was the last one. I got the last one, so it was fun. This is very tiny. Very teeny tiny. It's cute. I don't have any other spiny oyster stuff. Maybe next time when I go back to Tucson. So, very cute little turtle. And then I got some beads. So I got some magnesite beads. I've got red. Wow, these are big. These are way bigger than I expected. Very nice. These look like nice apple red. Oh gosh, tearing it up. Some rondelles. Some nugs, some nuggets, some big nuggets. And then some, I don't know what these are. Barrels? Very cool. They're not very uniform. These are more rough cut. Very cool. And then it looks like there's one other little thing in here. Oh. These are spiny oyster too. I forgot about these. Teeny tiny quatrefoils. Very cute. So it's a smaller order than I normally get, but I got some nice stuff. So my favorites would probably be these, the Z beads. Let's see. I really like these guys. I liked this one the most out of the starfish. And I really like these little vase beads. I think these are my 4 favorite things. Let me know what your favorite things were. Oh, I do really like the turtle too, but he's teeny tiny, and I think I like these little bolder pieces a little bit more. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll put all the information for hole-in-the-wall beads down below. And if you let me know what you like the most, and stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.
Hi, sweetie poo. Hi, sweetie poo. How you doing? Oh, you just wanted me to get closer. Hi, babe. Hi, baby. Hi. How can you be so cute all the time? Hmm? You're always so cute. Don't you ever take a break? No? Okay. Look at that little face. It's so cute. We love you, Goldie.